Alright class, today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of physical properties of matter. Have you ever wondered how we can distinguish between different types of substances based on their physical characteristics? Well, today we are going to investigate just that. Let's start by defining what we mean by physical properties of matter. Physical properties are characteristics that can be observed or measured without changing the composition of the substance. This means we can use these properties to help us identify and classify different types of matter. One way we can classify matter is by looking at whether it is a pure substance, a homogeneous mixture, also known as a solution, or a heterogeneous mixture. Pure substances are made up of only one type of particle, while mixtures are made up of two or more different types of particles. When we talk about physical properties, we are looking at things like color, shape, size, texture, and density. These properties can help us distinguish between different substances and mixtures. For example, if we have a pure substance like water, we know that it will have a specific density and boiling point that are different from other substances. Now let's talk about homogeneous mixtures, or solutions. Solutions are mixtures where the different particles are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. This means that the properties of the solution are the same throughout. For example, if we have a solution of salt water, the salt particles are evenly distributed in the water, giving it a uniform taste and appearance. On the other hand, we have heterogeneous mixtures, where the different particles are not evenly distributed. This means that the properties of the mixture can vary in different parts of the sample. For example, if we have a mixture of sand and water, the sand particles will settle to the bottom, creating layers with different properties. By investigating the physical properties of matter, we can distinguish between pure substances, homogeneous mixtures, and heterogeneous mixtures. This helps us understand the composition and behavior of different types of matter in the world around us. Now, let's do a hands-on experiment to demonstrate these concepts. I have here 3 samples for you to observe and classify. Sample A is a clear liquid, sample B is a mixture of sand and water, and sample C is a solution of sugar water. Take a moment to observe each sample and record your observations of their physical properties. After observing the samples, let's discuss what we found. Sample A is a pure substance, as it is a clear liquid with uniform properties throughout. Sample B is a heterogeneous mixture, as we can see the sand particles settling to the bottom and creating layers with different properties. Sample C is a homogeneous mixture or solution, as the sugar particles are evenly distributed in the water, giving it a uniform taste and appearance. By investigating the physical properties of matter, we were able to distinguish between pure substances, homogeneous mixtures, and heterogeneous mixtures. This hands-on experiment helped us apply the concepts we learned and deepen our understanding of the classification of matter based on its physical characteristics. In conclusion, understanding the physical properties of matter is essential for identifying and classifying different types of substances and mixtures. By observing and measuring these properties, we can distinguish between pure substances, homogeneous mixtures, and heterogeneous mixtures. This knowledge helps us make sense of the world around us and appreciate the diversity of matter in our everyday lives. I hope you enjoyed learning about physical properties of matter today. Remember to keep exploring and experimenting to deepen your understanding of this fascinating topic. Stay curious and keep investigating the wonders of science. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the physical properties of matter. See you next time.